So the technology was tested by NASA to clean the air aboard the International Space Station. The product is not endorsed by NASA, though.
What's in this?
So it's an activated carbon cloth.
There's lots of activated carbon cloth technologies out there.
Yep.
So why is yours different?
So we actually tested our product and our material against all of the leading competitors, and we found that our technology absorbs up to 8 times as much shoe odor as the next leading competitor.
How long does it last before it has to be replaced?
It lasts for approximately 2 months, or we say up to 60 wears.
Taylor, you said that this has more odor prevention than a full tennis court?
Yep. So it looks small, but it's actually filled with a ton of little micropores, which are a magnet for odor. And so if you took all of those micropores and laid them out, it would cover a full tennis court.
So it's a density issue.
Exactly.
So the fun fact about our product is that 40% of people that use it have never used a shoe odor eliminating solution before.
But how did they find you?
Yep, so right now we do direct-to-consumer marketing. So we sell them through our website, and then we're launching on Amazon, Walmart, and Jet.
Got it. How much do you charge for them?
They're $5 per pair.
What does it cost you to make them?
Currently, it costs us $1.65.
Wow.
At scale, it'll be 80 cents.
Oh, you're making
And
a
is
ton of
that
money.
in the USA? Or
80
is that...
cents.
It's all made in the USA, in New Jersey.
So what are your total sales?
We've sold $103,000 to date.
Over what time?
Since we launched in July of 2017.
All right.
What size shoe do you wear?
9.5. I have
He
smaller
wears a
feet.
9.5. I wear a 17.
Whoa!
Almost double my size.
That isn't truly miraculous.
How is
Oh my God.
we can use one pad apiece?
You need
Yes.
7.
No,
Yes.
he's gonna need more, right?
You know, to be honest, we haven't tested them on a size 17 foot before,
And you probably
so we
need to
should
with
do
his.
that.
It's like-
You have a patent.
So we have a provisional patent on the product itself.
Do
Third-party
you buy
test.
your material from someone else, or did you
We do.
create it?
We buy it from somebody else.
So it's already out
Oh,
there.
so you didn't create this?
And
We
someone
don't
else.
manufacture the material, no, but the patent is
Correct.
on the construction of
Yes.
the fabric and the actual product.
Right. And what do you need the money for today?
So 2 main things, marketing and sales. So obviously right now we are building a brand, so we want to invest more there.
Why did you choose spending your $150,000 on branding? Why make that choice?
The growth of this business, we do truly believe, will be through retail. And so we think by getting into retail, you naturally are getting all of the eyeballs of anyone going to that market.
But
the
you
info
only raised
section.
you're only asking here $150,000, right?
Yes.
That's not a lot relative to building even a local brand.
We have an incredible pitch for retailers, right? We're saying
What's
we
the
can bring
pitch?
40% new customers to that aisle for you.
Okay, so guys, look.
Absolutely.
Harvard Business School ruined you guys. I'm out.
Ouch.
Oh.
That's a little brutal.
Nobody has foot traffic to their odor products in traditional retail and big box retail. So where are you going to spend your money to create a brand and drive traffic where nobody is interested and nobody goes? That's why I'm out.
They did have a provisional patent, a patent application.
Okay.
Dug it up, it was abandoned. So they let it go. They ran into some pretty heavy prior art on the material. They went for a really aggressive claim scope. Looks like in 2020, it was rejected. So it was just it's a 7 or 8 part claim regarding non-woven thermoplastics. They let it go. Who knows exactly why? You know, it's they probably could have fought it. Regardless, the Shark Tank update, they're doing $4 million a year, selling on Amazon like crazy.
Yeah, I was just looking on Amazon right now. They got a lot.
A lot of sales. So they just figured it out. They did not decide to protect with the patent. They were first movers. It
Yep,
sounds
that's
like
legit.
Lori and Charles were able to get them through the way, but I think it helped. You know, with the initial backing, NASA tested. You know, there's some of that that does help with getting a product moved. So, what are your thoughts on the trademark side?
Yeah, they have a registration for, I can immediately tell that they didn't use an attorney when they filed their own trademark application because the way that it's written is somewhat circular or somewhat confusing. So their description is shoe inserts. I'm not sure these actually are shoe inserts, by the way. Shoe inserts for primarily non-orthopedic purposes. So some sort of non-orthopedic purpose, but an insert that also deodorizes shoes. So I don't think that these are meant to be worn in the shoe while you're wearing them, correct?
I think they are.
Oh, they are? I thought they were supposed to be put in after you're done wearing them.
Nope. I think you wear them while you're wearing.
Okay, well then, yeah, I guess that is an insole then. So that's correct.
Yep. Yeah. Well, and so yeah, so it's definitely a product. If you go look, and I think the way we only had to show a little bit of that clip, but they were talking about how it's about the density of the activated carbon that was doing the actual heavy lifting of taking odor out. So they're they're able to go to market. I would say the only thing when you take on investors, even if obviously it's may not be the sharks, when you bring an investment, that's when you want to make sure you're surrounding yourself with a contract and have it really clear about who is getting what in time frames. So having a business attorney is important. So if that's something that you're running into, you're looking to raise money, get whether it's a shark or someone else more routine, like a bank or an individual investor, angel investor, seed investor, you want to have something in writing. And you also make sure your entity is structured well for future rounds of funding. If you have a patent application, one cool thing a lot of investors will do is they'll actually pay for it, right? That's one of the things they want to help make sure is, sort of one of those buttresses that support their product as it goes to market. They'll help provide that funding. So it can be an extra boost, to paying your legal fees, right? And the patent office fees, trademark fees, to help that investor help you out. So that's a good way to go.